Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to come on camera really quick and do an update video on this hair I've been wearing for the last 5 weeks. This is Raw Southeast Asian hair from Touch of Beauty hair extensions. What I am wearing, I will go over the specs again. I am wearing I believe it's a 16-inch lace closure. I believe it's 3x4. I have 2 bundles of the 22 inches installed, and this is their natural wave. I did curl the hair today, just a little bit. Just wanted to put a little bend in the hair to come on camera. You guys know I'm not a big fan of curling my hair and all that stuff, but because I love you, I said, let me get on here and stop being lazy and curl my hair a little bit for the camera. So I did that. But yeah, I didn't put any heat protecting spray or anything like that on the hair. I didn't put any type of bio silk or argan oil, anything like that on the hair. It doesn't need anything like that, but I do recommend, if you are a person who likes to curl your hair or you like to flat iron your hair, to protect its wave pattern, please use a heat protecting spray, okay? I did not do that, but I recommend that you do, okay? So let me give you guys some information on what my routine has been as far as washing my hair and what I've been using to wash it. I've been washing it probably once every 2 weeks, just because I just didn't have time to wash it, but once every couple of weeks, and the hair's been doing great. I don't do, as I said, a lot of heat styling to the hair. I like to wear it, like if I do happen to flat iron the hair, because I normally wear it straight. I normally don't put curls in the hair. I normally wear it straight. I might do it once, and that's after I've washed it and I let it air dry. I will go through it just a little bit with the flat iron just to kind of knock some of the wave out. And I just wear it like that. It looks nice. It's easy to maintain. So that's just my preference with this hair. So that's what I've been doing. This is really the second time I've actually used a barrel curler in this hair. I did it one time when I was going to church and tonight. So this is the second time I've actually curled it. And I didn't do like tight curls. I just used this size burl, which is probably like I think a 1/4 inch burl. So it's not the smallest, so it's not going to give you really tight curls, because I just don't want tight curls because I like to wear it straight. But nonetheless, that's what I've been doing with the hair. As far as washing it, like I said, I've been washing it like once every 2 weeks. And what I've been using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo, the Moisture and Shine shampoo and conditioner. So I've been using this, and it's been working pretty well. It's sulfate free. I've used it on other extensions before, and I do like this brand. So this hair has reacted very well with it. So this is what I've been using. I do recommend that you use the sulfate free shampoo, because you don't want to weigh the hair down too much. If you feel like that the Moisture and Shine is a little too much weight for the hair, which I don't think so, as I've had a really good response. You don't have to use this, but this is what I've been using, and it's been working thus far. So yeah, so that's the update. The hair's been doing well, no tangling. Haven't been getting shedding from like the wefts. I have gotten a little shedding from my closure, but that's to be expected because it's lace, so we know how that goes, those of us who wear lace. But other than that, the hair has been doing great. I did color it black, as you guys know from my last video. So I did do some chemical processing to the hair, but nothing that's too damaging, other than with the closure I did bleach the knots, but that's it. So the hair is doing great. If you guys are interested in getting some extensions or interested in getting this hair, please check out Touch of Beauty and hair extensions. And I will see you guys on the next video. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm hoping to come with another video soon. Hopefully a haul video, an affordable haul, because I ain't got no money to be spending on a whole lot of stuff unnecessarily. So I like to do things on the budget. So anyway, guys, hope everybody's doing well. I'll talk to you on the next one. Once again, check out A Touch of Beauty hair extensions. I'm going to leave the information below for those of you who are interested. And I will see you in the next video. Hope everybody's doing good. Until next time.